Lesson 823, problem 881. In this problem, they want us to find the exact x-intercepts and the vertex of this quadratic equation. So I'm going to go ahead and find my vertex first. Since this is given to me in graphing form, I see it right away. Okay, so my y-coordinate of my vertex is -3. And then the x-coordinate of my vertex, remember, I'm looking at what's inside of my parentheses, and I'm setting that equal to 0 and solving for x. So if I took x plus 2 equal to 0 and solved for x, I would get that x equals -2. All right, so there's my vertex. And then I'm going to go ahead and let y equal 0, and then I'm going to solve for my x-intercepts. All right, so I need to get x alone, so the first thing I'm going to do is start by adding 3 to both sides. So I get 3 equal to x plus 2 quantity squared. And then I just need to keep undoing what's happening to x, so I need to undo that square by taking the square root, and I want to do it to both sides to keep it balanced. So on the right, the square undoes, the square root undoes the square. So I get x plus 2 on the right-hand side. And then on the left, the square root of 3 is not a perfect square. Okay, so we're going to leave it as square root of 3, but just remember that we need to put a plus or minus out front. Okay, just like on the last problem when we did the square root of 16, we got plus or minus 4. When we do the square root of 3, we're getting plus or minus square root of 3. All right, from here, I'm still undoing things to get x alone, so I need to undo the 2 that's being added to x by subtracting 2. So now on the left, I have -2 plus or minus the square root of 3 equal to x. And I can leave my answer like that, or I can separate it out to show that I have -2 plus square root of 3 and equal to x, and I have -2 minus square root of 3 equal to the x. So those are my exact answers. Those are the exact answers for my roots. So if I needed to go ahead and graph this, I'd have to go ahead and take my calculator and put that in, -2 plus the square root of 3, to get that approximate decimal answer. But this problem was just asking us to find the exact x-intercepts. So there they are, -2 plus square root of 3 and -2 minus square root of 3.